In today's video we will learn how to install Barberry WordPress theme. You can create professional modern e-commerce website using this WordPress theme. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this WordPress theme in the video description. You can input many professional design demos if you use this WordPress theme. The WordPress theme is perfect for creating a modern e-commerce website. I will be using Hostinger's domain hosting to install this WordPress theme. You can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description. I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. You get a free domain with every package. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee with every package. If you don't like domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. I have already purchased domain hosting from Hostinger, so I will now log in the account. Now first we need to install WordPress in hosting panel. Then we need to submit the WordPress login information. Our WordPress install is complete. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Then we need to log in WordPress admin panel. Now first we need to clean the WordPress theme. First we will delete the default post. Then we will delete the default page. Now we need to delete the default plugins. Then we will delete the default installed themes. After purchasing the WordPress theme, we will be provided with a zip file. Now we will extract this zip file. Now we will upload the premium theme. Then we need to activate this premium theme. Now we have to move to the next step, step by step. Now we have to wait for a while. Now our website is completely ready. You can easily customize the design of the website through the page builder. Also, you can easily change the homepage design by selecting it. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly by email. Thank you so much for watching this full video.